You need to see her shape. You need to see her face. Guy, you need to see complexion. This girl is so pretty. I have never seen a kind of girl ever since we stepped our foot in this village. I am telling you.
Emeka, calm down. See, you're talking to me. I am sure this girl is either a visitor or a foreigner. She came to see somebody around here. See, if it's this village that both of us has explored, I'm not sure there is any girl that fits into this description you're telling me now. It's impossible now, you know it.
Guy, I spoke with her one-on-one. Before God and man, her description is even lower than what she possesses. I am telling you. Hi.
Okay. Listen, I've heard you now. I've heard you. She's beautiful, I've heard you, no problem. Emeka, remember that girl I told you now? That yesterday girl now? Hi! This girl finished me. This girl can do something. You told me that her house is, I think, so weird.
Are you okay? Have you gone nuts? I am telling you about a girl that I saw that has kept me this restless. You're talking about one stupid bushimo you saw from to God knows where. What's your problem? You need to see how pretty this girl looks. You won't be talking about one stupid girl elsewhere.
No, I've heard. Okay, I've heard. It's okay. How do we now see this your Queen Elizabeth?
She told me she'll be at the stream waiting for me.
So both of you have already arranged to meet at the stream?
I told you now, I spoke to her. We talked.
Oh yeah, no. Okay, fine. Let's go and see.
Let's go to the stream. Just come.
My dad will come back with us.
Thank God I found her today. It has been long. I will be searching. Come on,
My love, you're leaving already?
Now. You asked me to wait for it. I've been waiting since 19 I didn't see you.
Hey, my love, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's just that I was telling my copper friends a lot about you. I actually told him so many sweet things about you.
Yes.
Copper.
What is that?
The grammar I taught you the last time.
Magnify.
No.
National Youth.
Yes. National Youth. Copper, that's what we are.
So he's National Youth.
Yes.
Yes, thank you. Still one place. Hey, sorry, he's my friend. That's how we do, okay? Don't mind us.
Yeah, you speak English, English speaker.
My love, please, can I see you again? Honestly, I want to see you again.
You want to see me again?
I want to be seeing you every day of my life as far as I'm still in this village.
Okay, Let me go and drop this water. I'll come to your house.
You come to my house?
Eh?
Hey, you come to my house?
I'll come so that you teach me more grammar.
I will teach you anyone. Eh? I will teach you anyone you want to hear.
Magnify.
Yes, I will teach you.
Youth.
Of course.
English speaker.
Anyone. Eh? Hey, take care of yourself, okay? My love. My epitome of beauty. Hi. Oh, I told you. This girl, I'm water. I told you. When I was saying it, you didn't get it. I told you this girl is something else. She's an...
Emeka, calm down. Emeka, so you know how we do it now. If she comes, I'll be at the window. You first of all enter. So by the time you finish, you come and give me sign. I'll come and do my own.
And I will fire you. God could punish you. Does she in any way look like this village girls we mess around with? Eh? You not seeing beauty. You seeing a God sent. A girl God has used to settle me in life. A girl that I'm planning on how to convince her to marry me. That is the girl that you stand in my presence like a buffoon to be talking about sex. Eh? Does she look like those girls we have sex with? Eh? Are you not seeing God's creature?
Okay, if I bring my own, both of us will share it. Now that you've brought your own, you are now telling me that she's reserved for marriage. Look at who is talking about marriage. Emeka, bet me. Bet now! Bet me!
I'll bet you.
Before we finish this program in this village, this girl would have given birth to at least one in her husband's house. You will see.
Super story. See, let me tell you, you cannot convince me otherwise where she is. Now, let me tell you one thing. As far as she's not married till I met her, she will still remain unmarried till I finish my NYC and get married to her. God has written it, is signed and settled. I am telling you.
Emeka, listen, you have every opportunity now. It is better you eat your own turn now before it becomes too late. You have every opportunity now to handle this girl the way you want to handle her. Especially now that she's coming for extramural lessons. Okay, fine. You don't want. Allow me to go. Let me just go and eat. Then after
I don't talk to fools. You're a fool.
I look like a fool.
Obe, do you know I saw those stupid boys with Ekema?
Both of them?
Yes. What's that the other name? What's that guy name? Emeka.
Oh!
Emeka.
Okay, Emeka.
Yes.
I saw them with Ekema. They were busy touching Ekema breast, touching her waist, touching everywhere. Jesus Christ.
I learned that their father nearly cut them with his cutlass.
I'm telling you.
Hey.
Do you know, I think it's high time we report those boys to Igwe and council.
Yes.
Those boys, they just came to this village to spoil our girls for us.
I'm telling you.
Let me tell you, me, I don't want to know. But any day I will see them around me, I will deal with them. Hey, Adamo!
Ndo.
Hey!
Ndo.
Thank you. Njide, Ndokweba, are you here? We are talking, you're not saying anything. You don't know those boys.
Copper National Youth.
I see Copper National Youth. Is that what they are called? Anyway, I don't care.
Yes, so that's what they are called. Can't you see the uniform they wear?
I don't care what they are called. My own is that if I see them near me, their name will be sorry. Let's go, please. Their name will be sorry.
Those boys.
What?
Hold on. My fine boy, I've not fixed it. You know, whenever as soon as I leave school, I'll just fix it because of these babes. Help me put it. Put it before someone notices.
This thing you've been using to deceive all these girls.
Forget, put down. Yes, you know, the truth is that each time they see me like this, they begin to see me as One nigga that just came in from the United States of America.
No, you used to tell them that you're coming from Las Vegas.
That's how we'll do it, you know.
Let's go sit down.
Let's make it real.
Stanjide, two boys are outside there. They say I should come and call you. I don't want to see you.
2 boys.
Yes. They're wearing uniform.
Where are they?
They're just outside there.
Okay. Go and tell them that I'm coming, that they should wait for me.
Yo, Vix. My love. How are you?
Who is your love?
Baby.
Baby. So you think I'm all these small girls that people will come and spoil? We're spoiling all the small girls in this village, and you think you come and try me and spoil me? No, you cannot. I'm not all these small village girls, okay? Do you want to come and be going, or should I make you to come and go?
Baby,
Do you want to come and make you go? Come and be going. Baby, National Youth Corps magnify nonsense.
Hi. My love.
Yeah.
How are you?
Who is he talking to? Do I even know?
Njidi, my love. How are you?
Did you call my name? Did you just call my name now? Yes. You called my name, National Youth. Don't try it again, no. Don't call my name.
Hey, calm down. What's the problem?
Because you're English speaking, you're not telling me to calm down. You come up. National Youth, come up. Come up. You are very stupid. If you call my name again, I can tap your quagga, no queen go bow quaggy, or to bow quaggy, you should have quagga bow. In our part, when you make it see, how can I call for so in the carriage at Chuaja, Catipota, quagga,
National Youth nonsense.
For their bank, yeah, Chuaja, throw, you should bow quagga bow. Don't forget for my phone. Come on, it's yours. It's yours. Imagine my fool.
You see what I've been telling you about these girls? Eh? Okay, just look at that one. Anytime she's angry, she'll just be saying one thing that someone will not understand. Just speaking one language like that. What was she even saying?
I didn't get one bit of what she was saying. I am as confused as you are.
But from the look of things, she was raining abuses on you.
She was raining abuses on us.
Us? You and who?
Chinedu. She was actually referring to you and I. Not me alone.
Eh?
But I don't understand.
You see what I've been telling you. Okay, just look at that one in the middle that looks like popcorn. The way she was just talking. I've told you, leave all these girls alone. All these girls that have chamfer back. There are other beautiful girls in this village that can even do things for us better. They will come, they will wash for us, cook for us, even help us out in some very, very practical areas. But you're just busy going around all this. After this thing.
Chinedu, I don't know. I am in love with this girl. I'm in love with Njide. I don't get it. I don't know what is wrong with me. I'm in love with her. I'm so crazy about the girl. I don't know what.
I am going to write to your parents that you are finished in this village.
Dear uncle, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, my daughter. How are you?
Fine.
Okay, go and drop your water. I want to talk with you.
Okay.
My daughter.
Day.
I want to encourage you on how you have been taking good care of your mother and your siblings. Each time I come to this house, I see the way you are making sure that there is food in this house.
Thank you, Uncle. But Uncle, I don't like the way my mother has been behaving since my father died.
My daughter, listen to me. Your mother and your late father, they were so much in love. Their love started when they were much younger. Yes, everybody in this village knew how they were fond of themselves. Yes, even when they got married, their love increased. My dear, you just have to exercise patience with her. I know she will overcome it very, very soon.
Okay, Uncle. But she doesn't even eat these days.
Don't worry. She will overcome it very, very soon.
Oh.
My dear, I want to go because I'm expecting one young man from Onweke. I know he might be waiting for me now.
Okay, Uncle.
Okay, my dear. Take good care of your mother.
I will.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Okay, my dear.
Nah, good day, sir.
Oh, okay, Chuku.
Nah.
I thought as much. I am very much for keeping you waiting. I went to see a family of mine whose husband died a couple of days.
Yeah, I'm so sorry about that, sir.
Please sit down. It's all right. It's all right. You are welcome.
Thank you very much, Nai.
Let me get you some cola.
Konye nweba, Ndoka.
Yes, Papa.
Ndoka.
Papa.
Go inside my room, eh?
Okay,
You'll see the bowl of cola.
Okay, Papa.
You are welcome once again.
Thank you very much, Nai.
So we need to talk because I know you are here for business.
Very much.
My brother. Yes, cola.
Nai.
My dear.
The government on their bid to promote the long-preached agricultural practice in this community has mapped out an area of land in Onoke for cassava cultivation, and I am one of the contractors who will employ laborers to cultivate the land.
But since it is the government, why can't they use tractors and ultra-modern machines?
They really want to use this means to create job opportunities for the youth of this community.
Oh, that is very, very good of them. That is very good of them.
Now, you see, I just want you to do me a favor. I want you to help me organize able youth of this community that will take up this job. Their salaries will be paid each day.
But can't you argue? Is it just boys alone?
Not necessary. You see, any girl that is strong enough can still join them.
Then you are in the right place. I will help you arrange for people. But let me also ask you, what about their transportation to Onweke?
Their transportation allowances will be added to their payments every day.
Very well then. When are they likely to start this job?
Now you see, I will communicate you anytime we are ready. Whenever we want to start, I will let you know. But all you have to do for me is to get them ready. Anytime I call you.
I will. I will not disappoint you.
Uncle. I will really appreciate you with cash if this works out.
Okay, Juku. So you know I also love money. You will see the best of me, because money is attached to it.
I believe you. So Badra, I'll be leaving.
Okay, my dear. Okay, my dear.
I'll get back to you.
All right, bye-bye, my dear.
Nduka! Nduka! Yes, come.
Papa.
Take this bowl of cola, take it inside. Then run to my brother's house, Mazokafo. Call the daughter, Njide. Okay. Tell her to come immediately. Now! Okay.
Okay.
Oh! All right.
Papa, I'll be back.
Fast, oh!
Okay, Papa.
Njide, you are the first person that got into my mind. You know, this is exactly what you need, since you are the breadwinner of the family, at least for now.
Day, God bless you so much. This is the kind of opportunity I've been looking for since 19 Anything, any kind of work. So far money will come out of it. Njide is ever ready.
I can see the spirit of your late father in you.
Njide, Obi, I'm ready to work. Yes, because I need money. Achomego. Uju, who is not ready to work? Me too. I am so ready to work. Because me too, I need money. So, where is the farmland?
It's very far.
Yeah?
Very, very far. That side.
Where?
At Onueke.
Hey! Onueke! Hey! That's far. Wait, you know that Onueke that is far? That long distance that made children of this village to attend school. Yes. See, trekking from here to Onueke is even more than 5 hours journey. So how are we going to cope?
Okay. They said they will be adding our transport money inside our daily pay. Oh. So no trekking.
Okay. It's good now. Better. Finish. So when are we starting the work?
Love.
What is it?
Yes, I came to know why you've been this hostile to me all this while.
Because you and your copper friend, you are not responsible people, okay?
Me?
Yes, you, national youths. You come to my front and you call me my love. And you go to my back and you call these village small girls my love. You think I don't know, I know.
This is where all these are coming from. See, I love you. I swear to God, you're the only one I love. I don't love them, believe me.
Don't love me, okay? National youth.
Honestly, I love you. I can't Okay, fine. Tell me, where are you girls farming these days? It seems to me to be somewhere out of this village.
Question.
Yes? What are you doing with this stupid, nonsense, useless boy? What are you discussing? Ace, you again. This national, that has no business in this
village looking for where to put his long pipe.
Eh? It's not my own hole that they'll put that their pipe, whether long or short.
Trust me. Who knows? I heard they have sweet mouth. Look at him.
Sweet skinny.
Sweet mouth.
Yeah. See, I don't care. Eh? Whether the pipe is long or short, eh? If me and Jide, if I don't break it with my bare hands, they know it's not me.
Oh yeah! Let's go back. Go! Back! Come on, go! Bye! Bye! Your national papa come to Onreka and be doing forming big boy. How can you come to Onreka and be... Be come to the front first, let's be seeing you. Next time if I see you with that front, if I see you with that national cup again, I will kill you. Go back!
Ndoka,
Yes, Papa.
where is she?
Papa, they said that she left very early this morning with her home.
And where has she gone to?
I don't know, Papa.
No, I think I should have to manage with these ones I have. Please.
Please. Okay, Chuku. That girl is very important to me. Biko. Just exercise a little bit.
No, and that is if you're sure she will come. Because we don't have time. We are running out of time.
I know. She must have gone to call some of her friends. Just exercise little patience. Aha!
Good afternoon.
Where have you gone to?
I went to call
who? Call who, Njide? Call who? Chiga Zogita.
It's okay now. We have to be going. We don't have time. Oh, let's go. Let's go.
I'm sorry I couldn't take off my eyes from such an unusual sight. Beautiful and elegant looking girls with hoe. Are you farmers?
Hey.
Wow! What a delightful name for a pretty damsel. I love it. Alright. Yeah. Just get it.
For money ritual. Assuming we collected that money, you will turn to chicken.
No, God forbid, don't me.
You will turn to God.
May God! I will chimo.
And me, I will turn to Lisa. You will just carry us inside.
No, it's not possible. It's not possible at all.
And then our own is finished.
It's not possible. Hey! Hey!
She's coming again.
I will chimo. So this is... Stop Come back!
chasing them. Why are they running away?
Our hose. What do we do?
Maybe we should just go here. Let's leave the hose for him. My mind is telling me that man is not a ritualist. Yes. Yes.
Oh.
Because the way he looks like a gentleman. Yes. Njide, Uju is right. Yes.
Are you girls sure?
Yes, very sure. Can't you see? I think we should just go and meet him. Let's go. Let's go, my friends.
Okay.
Let's go.
Would you go first? Or be follow me? I will now follow.
She said go first. I'll be second. Yeah. She third. I should go first. Yes.
Why were you guys running?
What do you want from us?
Yes.
Is that the problem? Okay. I saw beautiful girls with hoes. I mean, I was amazed. Does it mean beautiful girls like you are famous?
Yes! We are farmers. That is how we make our money.
Yes.
Question.
Oh, I see.
See, can we go now?
Not so fast.
Our horse!
Can I drop you girls? Njide, to be frank with you, your extraordinary beauty actually caught my attention. You look like a goddess. Believe me when I tell you that you're the picture of my ideal woman. Oh, sorry. Let me reduce this. See?
Oga, please follow that side.
Okay.
And this your English that is going up. It's confusing us. Please bring it down small for us.
Sorry. My mistakes. My name is Richard, by the way.
Richard. Whatever. He say his name is Richard. Whatever.
Oh God. I love you already. This way, right?
So this is why she has been avoiding me. Oh, shit.
Hey. Mama. I want to ask you something. Who was that young man that brought you home this morning?
It's that time we're coming back from the farm, so we're now waiting for bus, waiting. The man now stopped and carried us.
Jide, Sigene, are you saying you joined a total stranger in his car?
No, Mama. He's not a stranger. He's not just a stranger. The man is a very nice man.
Very nice man.
So, sister, Jide, you mean you've entered the car?
Stay there now. It's not this type of buses we used to enter or that used to smell like cassava. Yeah. This one I entered there. If you see how the place is cold like ice fridge, if you enter, you'll be having oguru. Hamatan inside the car.
Ezioku.
I was like,
Sister, it is called air conditionary.
Air conditionary.
Dictionary.
Hey.
Air conditionary.
Yes.
Air conditionary. I entered the conditionary.
Man,
Yo, G-Bro.
I was so fascinated by that girl's rare beauty that I had to make sure I gave them a lift back to their interior village house.
It's unlike you, my brother. How come?
I don't know. But believe me when I say, there is something unusual about that girl. The moment I saw her, something spoke up in me. Behold your missing rib.
You can't just stop killing me, my brother. What about Jenny?
Oh, sorry I didn't tell you.
Oh, talk to me.
Jenny now belongs in the past.
I don't seem to get you clear. What are you trying to say?
I called off the relationship last week.
How come? Why did you call it off?
Ben, there is no iota of truth in that girl.
Tell me something.
She's a pathological liar. She tells bare-faced lies. I'm sick and tired of her nonsense. I mean, I'm done.
But you have always tolerated that girl. How come you just dropped her this time?
For how long, Ben? For how long will I continue to tolerate her shit? Believe me when I tell you, I am done with her and I'm moving on with this girl. I think...
To be frank with you, I don't know what to say, but I'll just say now. It's nice you're going ahead with something that is good in your heart.
Baby, please.
What are you doing here?
Please don't do this to me. I'm sorry.
I have not done anything to you. Whatever it is you think I have done to you, you did to yourself.
Baby, it was a work of the devil. I'm sorry. It will happen again.
Jenny, you should be both tired and ashamed of those lines.
Baby, please. Just this last chance. I'm begging you. It won't happen again.
Did you say last chance? How many last chances have I given to you? How many?
Baby, you have given me enough last chances, but this one will be the very last, please.
You know what, Jenny? It's in you. I actually thought I could tolerate you. But I realized that you would never change.
Baby, I would change.
You would never change.
Please.
And let me tell you, you need to do that shit with someone who can tolerate you because I am done and I'm dusted.
Baby, don't say that, please.
Sunday!
Please don't do this, baby. Please. Please.
Sunday!
Don't do this.
You need to find someone who will tolerate you, not me.
Please.
I'm tired of that shit.
Sorry.
Come here.
This won't happen again, please.
Take her out of this
Baby,
house.
don't do
And
this.
Let this be the very last time I will ever see her in this house. If I see her in this house again, you're gone.
Baby, don't do this, please.
Madam!
I'm begging you.
Madam, you don't hear him.
Baby, please don't do this.
I be one, my interpreter for you.
Chad, please.
Take her out.
Chad, please.
Look at that,
It's happening again. I'm begging you, please. Please, Chad, please.
Madam, they go away. Don't make it side me. I got time. Take you. I go carry you. I go carry you. I go carry you. Come out. Record. Don't come back, Don't come back. You want me to attack me for this house?
And you heard what I said. If I ever see this girl in this house again, not even her shadow.
Okay, you don't go see him again. Yeah?
Better. Ben, believe me when I tell you, my mind is made up. I think that Njide is my wife. Yes. And I'm not going to stop till I get her.
Don't you think you're going far?
Is this a kind of setup or what? What is she doing here?
Richard, calm down.
Jenny, you're not welcomed. Please leave my office at once.
Honey, please.
Rich, take it easy.
Ben, please, just help me talk to him, please.
Are you leaving or should I call the security?
I'm sorry. I've told you I'm sorry. Please.
Jenny, you can go. Some other time.
What some other time are you talking about? Some other time for the two of you.
You're going too far.
Jenny, listen to me. I am done and dusted with you. I don't want to see you anywhere close to me again. My house, my office, anywhere!
Calm down, brother. Calm down.
Read my lips. It's over.
Honey, you can't do this to me, please. I'm sorry.
Please don't come close to me. Leave now or I will call the security.
Ben, please.
Jenny, just go. I'll talk to him, okay? I'll talk to him. Don't you think you're going too far?
I don't like this. Why would you bring her to my office?
Think about this action you're taking.
Man, leave this thing.
So, this is how Richard finally dumped you.
It's okay. Don't cry, please. Don't cry, please. I'm begging you.
I've been begging him since that day. He keeps telling me that it's over between the two of us. I don't know what to do again. I don't know.
Okay, what if we involve my brother who's in the army to warn him or something? What do you think?
I still love Richard. And I need him so much in my life. If that will make him change his mind, let's give it a try, please.
Because I think you'll get intimidated by the army uniform and he may decide to take you back.
Please, I still love Richard, please.
You don't have to cry. Give it to me. Just all our friends for.
No. It is not right. I mean, how can you expect me to go and harass a man simply because he called off your relationship? No, it is not done at all.
Okay, no problem. But can you at least talk to him as a friend? Beg him on my behalf, please.
Please! You can look for someone else to do this. I'm not interested in this matter.
Jenny, let's go. Brother, when we need you, we shall still come around.
It is better.
We may need your assistance one or two other time. But we'll give you a call. Jenny, let's go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I couldn't get you off my mind after that yesterday's event. I couldn't even sleep. I was just thinking about you.
Yeah, thinking about me.
Yes.
Why are you thinking about me?
Njide, you're the most beautiful creature I've ever set my eyes on. Yes. And I want to make that beauty mine forever.
How?
I want to marry you.
What? You want to marry me?
I mean it.
Eh? Oga Richard. So you want me to leave my mother, and my siblings to suffer and hunger will kill them? You want to carry me and go? Oh yeah, come and be going.
No.
I say come and be going.
Calm down.
No.
Listen, now would be the best time for you to help your family.
Yes.
With me by your side, you will cater for them because I will support you.
You by my side. Space. Come and be going. Carry your long gown and your big shoe. You come and be going, Oga Richard. I don't see you here again.
Jide, you're getting it wrong. I'm a very nice person.
Oga Richard, carry your big shoe and your long gown. Start going. Come and be going now. 1, 2. Come and be going. Come and be going. Come and be going. Come and be going. Come and be going.
I'll go, but think about it.
Go. Oga Richard, go.
It's easy.
Go. You want to marry me? Come and be going. Come and be going with your long gown and your big shoe. Go with your big shoe. You think it's about speaking English? Come here. Space. Go. Come and go.
Hurry up now. Don't just inside the water.
Abi, I learned that man came to your house again today.
Can you imagine? He came, the man said he wants to marry me.
He wants to marry you?
Jide, you are very lucky.
Lucky, Ke?
Yes. I heard that the man has money. And he's living in the city. By the time he finished doing your traditional marriage, you want to take it to the city. Then you become a city girl!
Uju. Before, me, I used to think that you have sense. I used to think that you have sense, but now I know you don't have sense.
Don't insult me.
So, you want me to leave my mother and my siblings so that hunger will kill them and leave them and go to the city because of marriage? Abi?
Onjide, you don't want to get married. Or what are you trying to say? Let me understand.
I didn't say that I don't want to get married though, but not now.
So, when? Tell us.
When I'm 23.
21. Hey! Oh, how old are you now? You're 18.
Now. When? It's not your business, please.
It's not your business, please.
Oh, you know what? 1, 2, let's go. Yes! Hey, that's mother.
So this Oyibo pepper came back immediately I left. Okay.
Hey, sister. Welcome.
When did that man come? That yellow pepper?
Immediately after you left.
Who is inside there with?
Mama.
Mama? What are they discussing?
Don't know.
I don't know. What is funny?
But Mama, she's still your daughter. I believe if you help me talk to her about the marriage, she can still change her mind.
You are right, my son. But I still insist you go and see Mazi Omukwe. He is my husband's kinsman. He alone has the key to Njide's heart. Emawata.
Mazi Omukwe.
Yes.
Please, where does he live and how can I see him now?
Not very far from here. Let me call one of my sons so that he takes you to the place.
In that case, I'll be going now so that I'll go and see him.
Oh.
Yes.
Mama,
I told you, I am very serious. And I don't have much time on my side.
You see, I can assure you that I can convince her to marry you. But that is not my problem. My problem is what happens after the marriage. That is my problem.
I don't understand.
Her mother has been passing through some emotional breakdown since after the death of her husband. Her sister and brother are still young. And as it appears now, she's the breadwinner of the family.
That's not the problem. I can take care of that. In fact, I will give her enough money to support her family. And even you too, Uncle. You deserve to be taken care of.
If you are sure of what you have just said now, then you don't have a problem. I will talk with her to marry you.
If you do this for me, I promise you, I will make you happy for the rest of your life.
My dear, you don't have a problem. You don't have a problem. I will talk with her and convince her to marry you.
Day.
My daughter.
Are you sure that man is going to do all these things he said he's going to do? Or he just wants to get me? Then he'll carry me and disappear.
My dear. That man, he looks gentle and responsible. Yes.
Day. Leave that thing. Being responsible is not written on somebody's head.
Listen, I know that. But our people says, Nanya Kijama or Kakaraka. The way I see that man, he's a nice man. The way I see him, I know he will never, never disappoint us.
Uncle, my own is not about disappointing us or not disappointing us. My own is that I don't want to get married.
Shh. Don't allow people to hear that. Your mother and myself will never deceive you. We can never deceive you. Let me ask you, do you want to be in your mother's hand forever? Don't you know that you are overripe for marriage? My daughter.
Emeka, I had wanted to ask you, you've not said anything about that your Mami water of a girl.
Njide.
Yes, Njide.
Guy, that girl is getting married soon.
Yeah? Who told you?
I've been seeing her with a certain well-to-do young man with a very beautiful car. I believe the man wants to get married to her. I've been seeing them always.
Hi, Emeka, I told you. I told you, but the point is that you don't listen to me. There is no way you could have married that girl. In fact, if it is impossible, it is close to impossibility. There is no way you could have married that girl.
Honestly, I loved her. I love Njide so much. I wish I can just scatter that marriage. I would have done it long ago.
Emeka, listen to yourself. Listen to yourself. Eh? Is marriage what we are sent here to do? Is marriage the uniform you're putting on? What is wrong with you?
Look who's talking. What have we come to do? What have we come to do? Maybe we've come to count the girls in this village as censors like you usually do.
Leave that in. Leave that in. It's Aquara things. You know, this Aquara is not educated. And sometimes when he needs food, you have to feed it. Because if you don't feed it, I don't know.
It's Aquara thing, Abi? It's Aquara thing. You better hold this to Aquara before it lands you into trouble. It's Aquara thing, it's Aquara thing.
I feel that, you know. If Aquara needs food, you give him food, though.
Jide, my daughter, show us.
Oh, man. Oh, road, oh, man. Hey! Oh, man. Oh, road, oh, man. Oh, look. Go see Annie. Go see Annie.
I would like to do the church wedding immediately.
Okay.
I have arranged with the church wedding committee in my church. And by next week, they will be giving me a date.
Hey! Nukwaga! Oh, Patafaga! Hey! Nice. My son, you have spoken well. So, when is the white wedding going to take place? As in where? Where is it going to take place?
That will be in Enugu.
Enugu kwa?
Yes.
Hey! Anye Rusigo.
And you all will be going to Enugu. You'll be coming. As soon as the date is fixed, I shall come back to inform you and also make transportation available for everybody.
Okay.
It's all right, my dear. Go ahead and make every arrangement you needed to do. The good Lord will continue to be with you.
Amen.
Thank you so much, Papa. Thank you, Mama.
You are welcome.
Welcome, my son.
No, baby, that's not necessary. I'll get her new clothes when we get to the city.
Okay.
Yes.
Don't worry, okay? You girls will visit us in the city 3 days before the wedding. And you can stay 1 week after, okay? No. We'll be leaving us to city. It's not fair. Stop crying. Stop crying. I don't like it. Stop crying. I don't like it.
Okay, it's okay. Here, just buy yourself some things, okay?
Thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, darling.
Stop it! I don't like it. Stop it. Stop crying. Okay. Stop crying. Stop crying. Okay. I'm going. I'm going. Open the car for me. Don't cry.
Take care of yourself, eh?
Take care of all.
Yeah,
Take care of all. Take care of all. Take care of all.
love you, baby. Even though my mama knows that I love you. Njideka, Nkenjika, oh no 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 no, kaitewe ya oh, mwano kaitewe ya. Even though my heart knows that I love you, baby. Even though my mama knows that I love you.
How are you?
My village people.
Well, let me
my
help
village
you.
people after me. Oh.
Wait. Nobody's after you. It's just the seat belt. Take it easy.
I cannot die.
Tell me, you like it?
Like ke? I like it. It's so fine. So, where am I standing on?
This is my house.
So people live in this kind of Obodo Docha house?
You're unbelievable. Yes, they do. It's just one of the houses.
So fine.
Let me take you inside, okay? You like it.
So now this village girl, Oga travel go village, go marry. Hey, Jesus, this village girl. Oga,
Why don't you want to wear your slippers?
Don't they ask me that kind of question? I cannot stay in a fine place like this. I no fit.
Don't worry. Wear them, okay?
No.
I insist. I say wear them.
I'm fine like this.
God have mercy.
Amen.
Okay. Let me take you. Let me show you around. This is my room. But now our room.
You mean you sleep in this big house alone?
Well, since I have no one living with me. But thank God you're here now. We'll be sleeping together.
What is this?
Oh, that's the mattress.
Matthias.
No, mattress.
Matthias.
I mean foam.
Foam.
Yes.
Foam. But it's not like foam, it's strong. It's strong. That's so fine. But it's so strong. It's as strong as the ground we are standing on.
Oh my God.
It's so fine. Everything is so fine.
Why are you smiling?
place is so fine.
Oh, you like my kitchen?
Kitchen? Did you call this place kitchen?
This is a modern kitchen. See everything is in place.
Wonder boy! Teach me.
Of course, I will teach you.
Teach me.
Come. It's very simple. This is the switch. You just turn it on like this. The gas comes up. You strike the match like this. See, it's fire. And it looks very fast.
Wonder boy! It's so fine.
But I'm glad you like it.
I like it. I like everything. It's so fine.
Progress. Let's go. Honestly, you're everything I need in a woman. You're complete. And your food tastes so great. You know you're a great cook. I just thank God that I found you. What's wrong, my dear?
It's the air conditioner.
The AC?
The ice cream. It's making me to have ogoro hamatan. Yeah.
Should I put it off?
Yes! Yes! I cannot die like that.
It's off now, okay? It's okay.
City. I don't like ice cream and air conditioner.
Maybe you'll get used to it.
I don't know.
It's okay. So beautiful. I can see you're tired. Don't worry. I won't disturb you again, eh? Just sleep.
Well done. Please, I'm looking for Achalugo Street, number 36. Is he here?
Where on? Achalugo?
Ugo. Now here?
You are looking for 36 Achalugo?
Could you wanna?
Which one are they talking? Which one are they talking? I don't understand what they talk. I guess something I do inside. Eh?
We are looking for Achalugo. Our sister from village come see our sister. She say here in her house. Yeah, we just say we get the street number.
What is the name of your sister?
Njide. Yes.
Njire.
Jide.
I think Njire. Who are you Njire?
Wait, how many 36 be this? Our 36 be this now. Our sister has be this now.
fuck with that? My sister there.
Come on, Abidis. There is in the room. Charago. Nae. I know they make noise here.
Toma.
Tell me say you live for Modoibo. You don't tell me. Hey.
Thank you.
So thank you. Thank you. What did they thank me for? Who you trying to educate you? No vex. Yeah? We see make a person ask you something or tell you something, you say thank you. I beg, what do you mean?
Thank you. You see, in this city, you live a city life. If anybody say anything that is good about you, like you listen, if you hear anything fine about you, you just say, thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. First, where your husband go? Because we won't see him.
He went to work. Come back soon.
Okay. Chimo. Your husband get money.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Three.
Boy, this food, see as madam take prepare everything. So the sweet they go. No water. Go travel go village. Leave all these fine girls where they for Siri. Go marry this girl. Yeah. Madam, thank you.
Wow. Man, let him just an easy one to that office at all. Did you notice that guy that came to the office finally?
I saw I did.
Man, something else, something that is not just supposed to evolve. Man, okay, something that's easy today.
Welcome. Hey! Welcome. You don't tell one wait for you since we come. I need to check you.
Really?
Yes.
How are you girls?
Good day. Thank you. This your house fine. See television. You watch it. Who table? Thank Chineke. Chineke can cause you try well. Hey, God, now your power.
Thank you. These are my wife's friend from the village. That's Obi, and this is Uju.
Thank you.
Nice meeting you, ladies.
Thank you.
I am Ben.
It's you. Ben Johnson.
No.
Baby, take the care of them, okay? Entertain them. I'll be right back. Let me just pick up something.
Okay.
Enjoy.
Love you. Okay, let's
Okay. What now? You wanted to shake it with your oily hands. I don't like it, though. I don't like it. This is city, not village. Yeah. Ozugo. I've said my own. I don't like when you stain people's clothes with your oily hands.
You go wow. I'm not staying if I buy clothes.
Ben, I'm truly sorry for the embarrassment.
I'm not complaining.
Well, I hope they don't turn my house into something else.
It's one of those things. Let's check out. You just need to just play along. There's no big thing there.
Well, I believe she's going to change.
With time, things will work out fine. With time, sure.
Okay, let me drop. Ben, this is not a laughing matter.
My man, Rich! Talk to me, brother. Talk to me. I'm listening.
This is serious. You need to see the way those girls turned my house into a marketplace.
Oh, yeah.
Speaking this very hurting and disgusting language.
Lord.
I was so ashamed of myself.
You see, in life, it's one of those things. You need to understand that in marriage, you bear her cross and she bears yours. Because it's a game of no leave, no transfer.
But it's Njide I'm getting married to, not her friends.
Her friends are part of her, and you must learn how to get along with them too.
I even wanted to send them back to the village this morning.
If you don't want perpetual war with your wife, you had better get along with them, because this is one of those things you do for love. Love, boy.
Salon to make their hair. Wow. It's so fine.
You know, I trust your sense of taste. Honey, don't worry, eh? Tomorrow, we all shall be going for shopping. To buy the rest of the things remaining, and also to get clothes for your friend for that day.
Hi. Thank you so much, my husband.
Oh, baby.
You're such a nice man.
Oh.
And you are so fine.
You're so pretty too, and I love you.
My mother and my siblings, they will be so happy to see the clothes you bought for them.
Hope so.
Yes. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wonder boy. Pouring saliva on my hand.
I love you. But what's the problem? You alright? Nothing?
Yes. Won't you tell him? Do you want to die here?
What is the problem? What is it?
I've been having running stomach pain. Eh? That food we eat is making me to shit and everything.
Is that what you've been hiding? Do you want to shit on your body?
What are you girls hiding? I don't like this.
My husband. She said her stomach is turning her, that she wants to go to toilets.
Yes.
Simple thing for you to open your mouth and talk. You're acting like a little girl. Please, where's your restroom? Go in there now and ease yourself.
Good, you want to shit on your clothes?
No. I want to go now. Come on, escort you.
Who escort you? Go by yourself, I beg.
Why do you need her to escort you?
I don't know.
Go and hurry up. Let's finish this shopping and go.
It's like she hasn't shit on her clothes.
It's
It's
okay.
smelling.
I think this will look nice too.
Babe, I heard that Richard is finally getting married.
To who? Who's the wife?
It's one local village girl like that. I can't even write her own name.
Babe, are you serious?
I'm serious. His neighbor was telling me the other day that his new wife and her local village friends are becoming great nuisance in the entire street.
So after everything, this is where Richard finally got himself.
And after everything, their wedding is tomorrow, sir.
Babe, don't be small talk, oh.
Sophia, I was thinking, if we can arrange some boys from the barrack that can help us stop the wedding. Is it possible?
But you know my brother, he will never be part of this deal at all. Don't even go there.
So after the whole beg that I begged Richard, it meant nothing to him.
Thank God I found her today. It has been long. I will be searching though.
Today, you get the city. You will not see. We don't shock. I'm going to tell everybody for no thank you. Hey! Oh, you will chimo. You will chimo ne kwama. Hello. Thank you. Thank you. Don't mention it. You talking nuts. Hi, Obia.
Una never finish.
Eh?
Una dey waste time now. We get plenty things wey you suppose buy for market. Ha!
Ha! How you get? Say, for this city, you go dey hot so that all these men, all these guys go see you say hello, say hi, thank you.
Una fine, una fine. Let's go.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Thank you, our friend.
Thank you for myself.
Thank you.
Get that your own.
No, that's satisfying.
This thing full of naked forest. Now you dey buy am.
Too fast now. Me, I want to piss. Me, I want to piss too. It's hungry me too much. Let's do quick.
See, you have to hold it oh. Until we get home.
What? It's holding me. Njide, I will die. Madi ya nkweba. Madi ya here. My bladder will burst now.
Let it burst. Let it burst. Do you want to fit inside the market?
Do quick.
I pay money make I give you this make you fit inside.
I'll be inside this keke. This is holding me. Myself, I've been holding my own since. I can't wait till we get to the house. I cannot wait. What kind of city be here? Eh? City? I will jump down. Oh. I will jump down. I'm even sweating. Oh, I'm sweating. Oh, this is making me sweat. Let's jump. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go.
Hello? Yes, yes. My wife? For what? Okay, please, where is your office? Okay, I'll be there shortly. Yeah, thank you. God, these girls will put someone in trouble one day. Even you.
My husband. I try make her hold down, but the go slow was too much.
So because of the go slow, you opened your legs in public to pee? Are you not ashamed of yourself? Or don't you know you're a woman?
Hi, don't let it talk like this now. We know say we be women, but the peace can't hold us. They will not feel hold now. Because if you hold peace, you go die.
Hey, shut up. Just look at their faces. Have you seen your faces lately? Do you know what you even look like? So Njide, you went to market with these girls whose faces look like masquerades.
Hey! My husband. No be you talk say make we dey wear makeup, make we be like fine girls.
Yes.
So this clownish thing is makeup.
It's fine.
God. Njide, you will not kill me in this house. By the way, where is the foodstuffs you got from the market?
Hmm?
Che! Jesus!
I need cheerful. Ah! The driver don't carry her. Go. Hey! Jesus! Oh God, I'm going to take I know where it is.
Leave me alone!
What is wrong with you? Are we going to continue living like this for the rest of our life?
I don't want. Is it by force?
How can I have a wife that is so beautiful? A wife that has all the right things in the right places, yet I'm consigned to the dustbin of celibacy?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Njide, listen. If this is a joke, just stop it. Okay? Because whether you like it or not, tonight you must give it to me. I don't care.
Hey, you started again this night.
Come here.
You don't like sleeping. Every night you stay awake, behaving like goat. Sleep now. Night is meant for sleep. Sleep now. Every night. I want to sleep. Behaving like goat. It's not by force. Leave me alone. Hold your kidney. I don't want to do it. Every night you will not sleep. You are disturbing somebody. Sleep.
Are you sure that village girl, she's going to come out today?
Come out? She must surely come out today. You see, today, she must come out. If we do not see her today, we'll go back and come back tomorrow. But to see that girl, me, Jennifer, I will see her. She must come out. She must come out.
Then let's wait then. We'll wait for her.
Look at that. Let's go. Hey. Wait there. So, it is you. Eh? It is you that came here and took away my fiancé from me.
Oniko Gini. I was thinking name. Waiting talk. I don't even understand all this English.
English. Wait. As I see these people, they are saying a fight. Or go. Oh. If na fight, I go just keep person. I don't want to talk.
Are you not the one she was talking to? Can't you talk? Village champion.
Is it gonna? Check it. So you there here? I don't even know say you dey see me. As you fix this thing for your eyes, I don't know say you dey see me. You as you just yellow like purple way don't spoil. I know one sharp. I know they find person trouble at all. If you know what is good for you, just come and be good.
You cannot even speak. You can't even speak good English. You cannot even speak. And you're here ranting like a mad woman. You can't even speak English.
You want chance me with good English, Abi? This is how they do smee. Pour saliva, it's raining. Pour saliva, dodge. Yeah. Pour saliva, they scatter saliva everywhere.
I came here to warn you to stay off. Do you hear me? Other than you're making noise, ranting like a mad woman. I came here to warn you.
Let's go.
Am I not talking?
Chineke. Where they go? No.
I want to fight.
I want to fight now.
Let me hold off on her.
Look at what she did to my friend.
Oh my God. Jenny. Sorry. But I want you girls. I want you to forget everything. Marriage is not by force. He has made his choice.
We want to go and deal with that girl. She can't go scot-free. She can't.
No. I don't think that is necessary. If you girls can still listen to me now, it's better you forget everything about that man and his new wife.
After what she did to my friend, we must fight back.
I said my own.
Just do what I ask you to do and forget about the rest of us.
Okay. If that is what you want, I can do it. But read my lips. That is not the best thing. It's not the best thing at all.
For you, So your koi, okay, you're not wearing koi shoe. You are not tired of carrying up and down, Abi? Hey!
Oh, shut up! So you don't know she's in the army, yet you slapped her and still have the guts to repeat it? Are you not afraid?
Because you are round. Because you are fat like Jupiter. You think I'll be afraid of you? Or because of this fake. I mean, you borrowed from
only days.
What did you just say? Hey.
Who is talking?
So because I take English talk am, you no confident they understand. You dey craze. Your brain dey leak. What's up? Even if you no fear me via my size, you dey mad. How dey do you? You never chop egg with dead bone. You dey craze. You see me, you no fear.
Ogweme, touching everybody!
For real?
Continue. Beat them! Continue! Come on! What is my name? Welcome to city!
What is my name? My name is Njide. Where's your point?
Sophia, you caused all of this. You caused it.
Were you not the one that was crying because Richard left you? Were you not?
Crying? When I was crying, did I tell you I needed to fight any girl? Were you not the same person you that initiated the whole fighting stuff?
So what will I have done to sit down and watch you cry all day, all long without a solution?
These guys are very, very strong. They're so strong.
The hand they use in pounding yam and cassava. You think they are the same with you?
Oh, so you knew all of this? So you knew all of this and yet you allowed me to go and fight those girls? Sophia, look at my face. Just take a good look at my face. You're happy, Naba? You're happy.
I thought maybe they would be intimidated by the army uniform. That was why.
Oh, you thought? You thought? Look at my face. Look at my face. You thought? Keep thoughting.
At my back.
Listen, love. Let's speak
What is make love? Is it that thing that man got in our village? They will be smelling the woman goat's nyash and they will be doing Is it that thing?
No, it's not. It's not. This one is different and this one is very sweet. You will like it. I will teach you and I'll be very gentle for you to enjoy it.
Let me! It's that thing! You brought me from the village to do that thing! My God!
Then listen, I don't care what you have to say tonight. You are my wife for Christ's sake. You will make love to me tonight. Yes, whether you like it or not. What's this?
Hey! You brought me from the village! Let me! I don't want to do that thing! Let me!
Do it today! Where are you going? Come back here! Where are you going?
Husband!
Where are you going?
Who is behaving like small boy?
Who is behaving like small? Who is behaving like small?
You are
the one who is behaving like a small girl there. I am your husband, for Christ's sake. You're supposed to make love to me.
Hey, not my fault.
Yes.
Not my fault.
My fault. Come back.
Not my fault.
I married you so that. How can my own wife, a woman I paid her dowry, be denying me of sex unjustly, without any cause? Why? It is very frustrating. Why did I marry her in the first place? Anyway, I have brought her back so that you people can help me and talk to her.
My in-law, we've heard you. We shall talk to her later.
Exactly.
We shall talk to her later.
We'll talk to her, please. We'll
Please,
talk to her.
I'm sure you do. Please do, because I don't know. I just don't know. I'll be going now.
Yes. Go. If you want to go, go. Go. I'm not forcing you. Think I'm begging you. You think I'm begging you? Are you not the one that forced me to marry you? I'm not begging you, okay? Is it not my bonbon? Every time you want to do it. Go. After all, you forced me to marry you. You forced me to marry you. Every time, do. You want to do. I don't used to sleep in that city. If I suffer air conditioner, I will now suffer do. Is it not my bonbon? Is it not my bonbon?
Don't you know that he is your husband?
Husband by fruit! Go.
Be careful,
That girl is a complete village non-entity. She does not know anything. She has never seen the city for the first time in her entire life. I was even putting up courage that with time she would change and learn the city life. But no! She's irredeemable. She even went as far as denying me the most important thing in marriage. Sex! Can you imagine that? Insisting that I will not touch her. For what?
You see, that is not supposed to be your reason to have sent her back home. Because I still did not forget how you did let me know how this girl got your attention that you couldn't take your eyes off her. You even went as far as going to her remotest part of the village to bring her home for a wife. You went too far. You and I know that if you give that girl time, she will change. She's not used to city life. She's just a girl you brought from the village and she's not enlightened. So, giving her time would have been the best thing.
I wouldn't have sent her back, right?
Yes. You are supposed to have given her time. Knowing that this same girl is a village girl that you brought into city. She would have changed.
I think I did it out of anger. I'm even regretting my actions now.
You don't need to regret. Just make amends. Go for her.
Thank you.
Njide, the first duty of a woman in her husband's house is to satisfy his sexual hunger before the carnal hunger.
Yes. But I've not done it before.
Oh, you have to do it now. It is his right. He paid for it. My dear, he bought you wholesale, as it were.
Oh yes, my daughter. See, your father was the first and only man to see my nakedness.
You see?
He disfigures me. He turns me into a woman. Yes, it is an honor and pride for a girl to go into the husband's house as a virgin. You see, it is never a cause or a problem.
So, Mama, Kanjogi, don't you want to be a mother?
I want.
You have to do it with him.
Because of that small thing. He now brought me back to the village and he went back to the city.
See, my daughter, don't worry. Oh, I know he loves you. When I see one, I recognize it. That man is really in love with you. Yes! And you know what? Before you know what will happen, he will come and take you to the city. Eh? Don't worry. Huh?
My daughter.
I am your mother. I will not deceive you.
Since I came into this village, I've looked around. You're the only one that I like. You're pretty.
Thank you.
I even like your shirt.
Thank you.
Like your... Hey, don't worry, eh? I'll make things. I'll work out things. I'll teach you some things that you don't know. Like your... Wait now.
Guy.
Wait here.
You better go find out yourself.
Find out what?
See, God has answered your prayers.
What prayers?
Njide.
What happened to Njide?
Njide is back. Njide is back. Her husband brought her back. He said he's no more interested.
Whoa, is this a joke or something? What's the meaning of this now?
Me joking. As I speak to you now, Njide is in her father's house.
Njide is back to this village.
No. You mean it's on Njide? You saw her now. You see her now. Hi. How are you? Did he give you tom-tom? Eh? You not give you tom-tom?
Yeah.
I'll give you tom-tom now. Nice one. Original tom-tom. Come now. Tom-tom.
My husband, I'm sorry, please. Chai, look at the fine man that God blessed me with. He has a lot of money. He loves me. He's ready to take care of my family. Ordinary Otile. Ordinary Otile. My husband, please come back. I'll give you Otile till you run. Anywhere, anyhow, you want it.
Today, it has been long. I will be searching.